Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in shadow black with a gray cloth interior and seating for 6. It has 4 doors as well as a 5.5-foot box. It has an XTR as well as an FX4 off-road package. It has a 4x4 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker on the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Lighting controls, electronic parking brake, as well as power pedals. In the body, you have a grab handle to make it easier to get in. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash control, cruise control, sync voice-activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the vehicle for you. On the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You have a menu that you can toggle through: display mode, trip, fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shift that you can toggle through, located just there. You have normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, and sport. A little cubby up above, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto start stop. You also have a touch screen display center. You can click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, as well as Bluetooth. You have navigation, and this is also where you will see your rear backup camera view when you go in reverse. You can also go into settings, slide through. You have Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your volume and tuner located just below that, as well as a CD player located just there. You have your climate control just below there, with front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Both driver and passenger enjoy a heated seat. You have 4x4 with locking differential, as well as Pro Trailer backup located just below that. And just underneath that, you have your integrated trailer brake controller. You have a couple of B outlets, as well as a 12-volt outlet. You have a little bin just below there for extra storage. In your armrest, you have a couple of cup holders, as well as some storage. You can flip the seat up for an extra seat. You can also flip up the bottom for even more storage. You have a couple of cup holders, as well as a 12-volt and a 110-volt. A locking glove compartment, auto-dimming rearview mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's that button to slide your power sliding window. 20-inch Toyo tires, 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running boards, chrome handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, easy fuel capless gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. That backup camera is located just below your handle. On the rear bumper, you have sensors. You also have 4 and 7 pin connectors, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open the tailgate up, simply take your hand and pull up. You'll notice the inside is nicely lined. You also have tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. On the tailgate, you have a step to make it easier to get in. You also have remote start on your key fob. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. To enlarge the cargo area, simply pull up, and it will sit upright. To pull it back down, simply pull the clip until it clicks down and it's in its original position. At the base of the seat, you have anchors for baby seats. On the floor, you have all-weather mats. You're also seeing extra carpeted and all-weather mats. On the back of the front seat, you have slim pockets. In the center, a 12-volt, couple of cup holders, and a couple of USB outlets. In the body, you have grab handles. Up above, hooks and lighting. And in the back, a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, fender flares, privacy glass in the rear with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors. Your hood has rock shield, halogen headlights, and fog lights, as well as tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.